Welcome back. As per Churchill, there is gross injustice done to him by All India Football Federation. He has denied paying fine imposed on him by AIFF.
In the recent ONGC I-League professional match played between Churchill Brothers and Dempo Sports Club held at Nehru Stadium in Margao, the PWD Minister Churchill broke into the room of the referee, threatening him for allegedly taking wrong decision. The AIFF later penalized Churchill Alimau with a fine of 50,000 rupees. On this decision, Churchill Alimau said that he will not pay a penny to AIFF. Instead, appeal to the higher authorities.
Fans were there for the footballers. Everyone's seen it. The goal denied without anything. The referee managed to make a draw the game. And that is the reason I just want to ask the commissioner. I love the football. Football in my blood. My family love the football. Football in the blood. I cannot see injustice of giving the football. The IFA is sending me the one notice that saying that 50,000 pay, otherwise you appeal in forward. I'm appealing, but I'll tell the IFA I'm not ready. I'm not ready to pay the 1 rupee because it is not my fault the referees. The clip toy, and it's going to the clip toy. Clip wrong. I'm not going to pay. Why I have to pay?
Now let's wait and watch the next action of the AIFF on Churchill Alimau and how the authorities react to Churchill's plea. Our reporter at Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
Octave presented more programs on Friday. It continues to present the Northeast cultural and traditional dances and much more.
On Friday, they presented dance performances by Meghalaya, Sikkim and Mizoram. They also performed traditional costume shows.
Vaishnavite faith in Manipur, and the Meithis are amongst the fine golden Muga silk. Also popular is the Pak silk, which they have their trademark umbrella with them.
Daily Bread Bakery and Confectionery is in Goa too. Fascinating pastries, cookies and delicacies of chocolates can be enjoyed at Daily Bread in Panji.
Daily Bread has captured a lot of consumers in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi and most of the states in the country. It is now in Goa with its irresistible delicacies. Daily Bread was inaugurated in Panji on Friday. CEO of Miles High Hotel, Abul Imam, said that their aim was to get Daily Bread products to common man at affordable prices.
Our main target is the mid-market segment because we want to make value for money, we want to give you value for money and we want to give you that power of affordability. Our two main concepts, one is affordability and second is accessibility. We want this product or we want Daily Bread products to be your household products by the end of the year.
Daily Bread products provide an international range of bakery products to urban consumers. Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamri.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Is there a bigger truth behind Iris's U-turn? A Prudent Media exclusive. Vishwajit says he doesn't hold key to Pali victory. Goa's Astro Kids name India's first moon man.